Come and explore my place, my home, my town, Bayambang, Pangasinan. And know who I am. Tara na't samahan niyo ako sa bayan kong pinagmulan. Fifth capital of the Philippines. Home of the 400 years church. Home of the longest barbecue grill. Home of the tallest bamboo sculpture in the world. Bayambang was first known as Malunggay. This place became a Spanish pueblo and was granted political recognition by the Spanish government in 1914. Bayambang also became as a center of exploitation. Saint Vincent Prayer Park. The tallest bamboo statue is dedicated to the patron saint of Bayambang, Saint Vincent Ferrer. It is more than 50 meters tall, set the town of Bayambang last 2019 as the world's title holder for the tallest bamboo sculpture in the world. The solemnity of the place attracts pilgrims and tourists around the world. Museum of Bayambang, home of innovation, one legacy and achievements of a Bayambangueño. Arts and culture, agriculture, persons of innovation, and museum cafe. A leader, public servant, former manager, freelance model/actor, endorser, environment advocate. I am Cristian Quijalvo. You can call me Sean or Ian. I graduated Bachelor of Hotel and Restaurant Management and I have units in education. I'm youngest child in a family. I am a former assistant restaurant manager for almost 5.5 years in a well-known bake shop brand in the Philippines. I joined different organizations because I want to help the future leaders. I am part of the Marquee U Productions for almost 2 years as a model. I am a proud Radiance Facial Care and Wellness Ambassador. And lastly, I am also a SK Chairman of my beloved barangay. As one of the candidates for Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines Pangasinan, my advocacy is to help build and cultural environmental awareness.
I am Cristian Quijalvo, your Mr. Asia Pacific Philippines Pangasinan, proud to represent where you can see the tallest bamboo statue in the world and the longest barbecue grill in the world, Bayambang.